Hi, welcome in second part of Command 3 installation. Clean your windshield with wipe, then put holder to Command 3. Find right place. I need two hands. Put comma with holder to windshield. You should wait 48 hours without comma on holder. This is a very temporary installation because I have to go now. I will continue later. Here is a URL for Pilot. I'm not using official fork, I prefer Sunny Pilot.
Different. Don't know what it is that made us so indifferent.
I'm back. We could finish the installation. I have to choose Hyundai Ioniq 5, which idea. But now it's only working in a lateral control. You need to find right place for this box. I think I can give cable here. This car is much better than Kia e-Niro. Here is a lot of place. Plastic tool is very useful. Okay, it's done. Installation takes you 20 or 40 minutes. It's quite easy.